Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Godzilla x Kong surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Godzilla x Kong surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. First thing we want to do is line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle. Then we want to line up the corners one more time and give it another nice fold. Now when we open this up, we've got these nice little guidelines that show us where we want to keep the inside of our drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a fun surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin with Godzilla. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to start by making a line that's just going to go down. Now I'm going to bring this back to here. Next, for the eye, we're going to make this line come over and up. And then I'm going to add a couple little lines coming down. Next, I'm going to bring this line up to here. And we're going to bring this down. Bring this line over and down. And bring this line to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line over and then down. And then we're going to curve this line and kind of make it a little darker up here for the nose. I'm going to bring this line down, and then we're going to come over. And then I'm going to curve this up. Make this line come down and over, down and over, down and over, and then down to here. I'm going to curve this line down. And then I'm going to make 1 and 2 little lines underneath the eye. Next, right here, I'm going to make a line that goes up and down, and then up here for one of his spikes. Next, starting over here, let's make Kong. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to go down. And I'm going to bring this up to here. Then I'm going to make this line come down and up for the eye. I'll make a little line down. Then I'm going to curve this line to here for the nose. We'll make this line come down and kind of color it in a little bit. Then I'm going to bring this line down. Next, I'm going to bring this line back here for his eyebrow. Then I'm going to curve this in, and I'm going to make a line that kind of comes down and up here. Then I'm going to bring this line down. And then I'm going to make some pointed lines that come back here for his hair. I'm going to curve a line down here. I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up and down for the ear. I'll make a little curve and a line that comes around here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and then over. And then I'm just going to curve this line around. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down with some zigzags for his beard. And then I'm going to make him kind of come up here. Then I'm going to add a couple little lines underneath his eye. Now, our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, when we open this up, we have two halves of our Kong and Godzilla, and they look pretty mad at each other, but we want to change that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring Godzilla's nose down a little bit, and then I'm going to bring this line up a little bit. Next, I'm going to bring this line over, and I'm going to turn this into a smile. I'm going to make a little line down here. And then I'm going to bring this line up to here and connect it. Next, I want to add the teeth. So I'm going to add some sharp teeth for Godzilla. I'm going to add some sharp teeth down here. And then I'm going to make a little line that's just going to come down and then up and down for the tongue. Now let's make Kong. So I'm going to make this line come down. And then I'm going to make this line come up into a smile. We'll curve this line. And then I'm going to bring this line down and then up here and connect. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and then connect it here. Then I'm going to make a little bump for a tooth, and then a bigger fang, and then a couple more little bumps. And then same thing here, a couple bumps, big fang, and then a little bump. Then I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve up and down and back down for the tongue. Now, we have them smiling at each other, and I want this to kind of be like the team up from Godzilla x Kong. So we're going to put Mothra in here, and that's why they're smiling. So to draw Mothra, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an oval for an eye, and then another oval for an eye. I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up and down, and then one here. It's going to come up and down. I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, down, and back up. And we're going to bring this line down. Make a line that's going to come out and in, out and in. I'm going to bring this line out and down, out and down. I'm going to bring this line across for the top of the head. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and out for the antenna, and then same thing, up and then out. Then bring this out and around, kind of bring this down and then back around. Make a little line that curves around here. Then we'll make another line that's going to curve down and then up here. We'll make a line that comes down and up, down and up. We'll make a line that comes up on each side. Then I'm going to curve this line down and up to a point. So just kind of go down to a point and up for her little sharp talons. Line down and a line down. I'm going to make another line that comes out and in for another leg. Same thing here. And we'll just bring this line down. And then same thing here. Line here for a leg. Line here. And we'll make a couple little points down here for the feet. I want to make a line come down here and a line here. And then we want to make the wings. So to make the wings, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve out. It's going to come down and back. Same thing here. Bring this out, down, and back. Make a line that's going to come out and curve around. Same thing here. Kind of down and just curve around. Next, I'm going to make this line just kind of trace around there. Same thing here. Just kind of make this line trace around. Do the same thing around here too. And then I'm just going to make a big circle inside of each one. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Godzilla x Kong surprise fold. So when we have it all folded up, Godzilla and Kong are staring each other down like they're getting ready to battle. But when we open it, we can see that they are happy because Mothra is there and has convinced them to team up. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.